Hi, it's the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first, let's just open the settings application and now tap the connections section. Here you will see the Wi-Fi switcher. Just to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, we should use the switcher. Also, we can do it from this section. After that, you'll see here all of the available networks. For example, let's use the first one. If you wanna just see the password, we should just click here to the side icon. So here we should enter our password. I'll enter it out the screen. So after that, just tap to connect. Wait a couple of seconds and we can see that we just successfully connected to this network. You can also use more networks by the same way. Just enter the passwords, tap to connect, and after that just you can switch between them. If you wanna also do it by another way, we can also open the notification panel shortcuts, and here you should find the Wi-Fi icon. Just to activate Wi-Fi or turn it off, we should click here to this icon. To launch the same Wi-Fi settings, hold for a while this icon, and by the same way find the network, enter the password and tap to connect. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.